another bullish but moderate day in Wall Street. Welcome to Grok Trade. Welcome to Grok Trade's Broad Market Analysis. My name is Miguel Vences and I am a mentor and an analyst, and I am today and tomorrow covering for Des Woodruff, who is taking some time off somewhere in New York State. I think he's backpacking or hiking or doing something around there. While the stock markets give us another nice day, although a lot more moderately than last Friday. Actually, as we can see here in the graph, the Dow ended up barely in the negative 0.03%, the S&P 500 0.19% to the upside, Nasdaq 0.42%, and Russell's 0.54% to the upside. And here in the chart, let's pay attention to this line that I drew from this swing low that serves as support, resistance, and this is precisely the line that we are getting very close to. And actually, as we can see today, we still have a little bit of space before we reach this level of resistance. And as a matter of fact, something interesting is that today, the third day of this rally, really, if we count this day, although this was pre-breakout, we have the Friday was a bullish day. Today we had a higher high and a higher low, which still indicates a bullish mood, a bullish sentiment. However, look at the range of today's and the shape of today's candle. Pretty symmetrical. And even though it closed on a bullish note, however, we can see that the rally has been losing some of its strength just by the simple size of each consecutive candle. And let me show you in our own website, in Free Online Trading Education. As you know, we have a chart school, and we also have a section on candlestick patterns. And the candle that we created today in the markets is identical to this one, and it's called a spinning top high wave. And if you read our description right here, it says these types of candlesticks indicate indecision and subsequent consolidation. And so this line, the high of today, which is the highest high of the S&P's history, in the 1620 zone, is going to be our next key level of resistance. And so even though today's candle is still a higher high and a higher low, it shows us that we may be running out of steam, at least for the time being. And that shouldn't be too much of a surprise. Just look at this from the last Thursday, which we bounced in this level of support. The move has been pretty substantial. So it's about time, at least for a moment of consolidation. It may be a time to let some people take their profits in the hopes that we may be able to continue this rally after that. But of course, higher high and higher low indicates that the up leg where we are right now is still there according to the textbooks. A good reading in the MACD, and the volume today decreased. And by the way, before I forget, this line of support I drawn from this swing high to this swing high, and as we can see yesterday, it served as support. So tonight we are take a look at our trading plans and manage our trades according to our rules, our personal rules, our personal trading plans, as we are reaching and finding these new levels of resistance and support. And if you don't have a personal trading plan, if you don't have a mentor to help you develop it, do remember that Grok Trade is precisely all about that. Giving you the right training and the right relationship with a mentor who will be guiding you step by step, personalize your trading plan to your very unique objectives, personality, availability, etc., etc., etc. I will see you here tomorrow. Thank you for being a part of Grok Trade.